Hello and welcome to another quick update about Solana. Still one of the more interesting charts at the moment. I'm quite impressed how well Solana did hold today. It's still holding support. The relevant support is still at $21.60. That's sort of micro support. It's first of all the 50% retracement level of the third wave rally here, of this distance traveled between Wednesday and Monday, basically. And it's good to see that we get this healthy wave 4. You may remember, if you watched my videos about Solana already a week ago, or well, yeah, nearly a week ago, we talked about how I would like to see a healthy wave 4 that should have a similar length to the wave 2. You can't, I mean, Elliott wave is a price-based discipline. You know, you can't say, okay, you know, because wave 2 takes a week, wave 4 should take a week as well. It is not as easy as that, but I would usually like to see a healthy wave 4. It is really helpful for the continuation and for the stability of a structure. If we do not see a healthy wave 4 and it just escalates higher without any decent correction or consolidation, it often breaks down again. So yes, it is a bit boring now again, you know, but this is actually quite important. Now, obviously, as long as it's holding $21.60, only then we watch for another high, because below $21.60, it's increasingly likely that it's going to break down again. But it is still, it's looking good. I mean, it's looking good generally. You know, it's done everything it needs to do. It reached the ideal target for a third wave. We have a healthy wave 4, as it seems. The price is moving in what you would even consider a bit of a bull flag, which is here this descending wedge pattern and this overlapping price structure, which indicates that, yeah, you know, we have a good chance that there is trend continuation to the upside. So I would give it quite good chances for that. You know, I would give it a good possibility, good odds, you know, high odds for continuation to the upside. But obviously the condition is it's holding the $21.60 level, because any wave 4 that gets a break below that level, below the 50% retracement, it's a bit too strong, you know, price-wise, not time-wise, but price-wise. So yeah, it's good. We've got the right combination between the right length, yeah, and not going down too deep, going down slowly. That's what we want in a descending wedge, which is typically called a bull flag in this sort of arrangement here. And the next target, or let's say resistance, is actually at $25.50. That's structural resistance, not necessarily Fibonacci target. If we talk about a Fibonacci target here for the fifth wave, then we take the length of waves 1 through 3, and then we go to the low of the 4. I mean, it depends, you know, it depends on how low it goes. Let's assume it goes to the 38.2 Fib level. That's, by the way, the ideal target for a fourth wave, here at $22.30, yeah? So then the ideal target for higher would be, yeah, $25.18. It's not much higher than the third, so I would see it as quite likely to at least test the red line, yeah, the red resistance level. And then if it breaks above it, and that's the next likely target, we're at $27. It is not only the 61.8 extension level, which is an ideal target for the fifth wave, it is also where we had a previous swing high, roughly in that area around $27. And our support down there at $21.60 is also important because we had previous resistance here at this level. So, you know, it all comes together. These are definitely the technical levels to watch. I am in favor of trend continuation, but really the real, let's say, the reliable setup we will most likely only get after we've seen 5 waves up and 3 waves down, as I always say. That would then be a so-called 1-2 setup, and the third wave rally afterwards can bring the price sort of into the region around, yeah, $35. That is due to the Fibonacci extension targets. So obviously, if we assume, okay, we might go to 25.50, then we are watching for a pullback, roughly 50%. So roughly a target then would be around, yeah, $34 for this third wave. Maybe a little higher, it's more like a minimum target. And that would be broadly in line with a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern, which could form here, which is very much in line with the Elliott wave count. Left shoulder head, yeah, and then the right shoulder, and then a breakout. Yeah, not much more to add. So just need a little bit more patience. Wave 2, by the way, It took a week. I think here we are now at 5 days, so can still, can still take a little longer if it needs to. But yeah, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, every Sunday we do a member live stream. So again, next Sunday is going to be the next live stream. It's always educational and we cover some member requests. Also, you get access to Discord and Telegram, and also, there's a lot of educational content on Discord, the chat rooms, and as a gold member, you get additional short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.